How to log in Milestone credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into Milestone credit card account. For this, open up any web browser and search for Milestone Gold Card. Once you're here, you want to click on this website, which is milestonegoldcard.com. Once you're on this website, you want to click on the My Account option in order to log into your account. If you are new to this and you want to apply for a credit card, you can click on the Apply Now option. Once you click on My Account, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, you have a login portal. Go ahead and enter your username and password and click on the Login option. If you are new to this, you can click on the Register Your Account option. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link in order to reset them. Once your credentials are verified, you will be logged into your Milestone credit card account. You can now access your account information, view statements, make payments, and manage your account settings. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer service of Milestone. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.